And let's welcome Colleen. Today was filled with fun, but very hot, right?
Yes, it was definitely very warm. The humidity really plays a big role in all of that. For the marine forecast, just be aware that we do have some storms that are coming in early tomorrow. We have the southwest wind, and that will basically push that moisture into our coast early in the day. The winds, primarily out of the southwest, they're light too, so that means they will be slow-moving downpours. But it's good news that it kind of gets started our day, so that way you have the rest of the afternoon to enjoy yourselves. It will be a light chop out there, just as it was for today, but please be careful when you are outside and there's lightning nearby. The good news, again, is that the storms will be in the first half of the day, even earlier than what we saw for this morning. Current temperatures across the nation. I've been showing this because lately during the day, New York City, Boston, Washington, D.C., these are all areas that have been hotter than we have been. Now at night, it's a little bit of a different story. We're surrounded by a very warm body of water, two bodies of water. We have the Atlantic and then we have the Gulf on the other side. And all of that warmth, the Gulf temperature is in the upper 80s, 89. So that definitely adds to that humidity that's in the air, especially when we have a southwest wind. It's blowing right over that warm water. So tonight, we have temperatures 85 here locally, while New York City is sitting at 79. And we've been comparing them throughout the afternoons because during the day, they have really been heating up. They've had temperatures in the Northeast in the triple digits, not even including the humidity. Getting back to our temperatures here locally, we are sitting in the lower to mid 80s closer to the coast, again with that influence of the southwesterly wind driving over that 89-degree Gulf temperature. Our interior locations are actually sitting a little bit better. Bartow, Wauchula, Sebring, all in the upper 70s. Winter Haven, can't leave them out. Dade City, Brooksville, Crystal River, they were all in the upper 70s at this time. But these are also areas, some of them, that had a nice amount of rain as well. We had that rain that started off around the coast, close to lunchtime today, pushed off to the east just in time for those fireworks shows. For tonight, 80 degrees for that overnight low. That's basically all we're getting, not getting much cooler from there. Satellite radar showing cloud cover that's with us for tonight. And generally, we have that southwesterly wind, but notice we also have a northeasterly wind, so a little bit of a nighttime boundary that's set up right there. That's not producing rain quite yet, but as we move into tomorrow morning, very, very early in the morning, talking pre-dawn, we will have some showers and even some storms to begin our Sunday. There's satellite radar, the bigger picture. We have the high pressure that's in control. That's providing that southwesterly wind on our side. You can see how the winds get a little bit of a change up as you go on the other side of the states. Getting into Futurecast here, here's what you guys really want to know, right? The timing of the rain when it's the weekends. Sunday, tomorrow morning, 5 a.m., you may hear some rumbles of thunder early on. This lasts until about 8 a.m. Here we are around lunchtime. That's when those storms will start the process of pushing their way off to the east. This is 3:30 tomorrow. This model run is looking drier, but I do think we will have a little bit more rain for those areas east of I-75 at that time. A lot of energy was used in our atmosphere for today. I know in St. Pete we had some slow-moving downpours. When the winds are 5 to 10 miles per hour, those downpours really aren't going to move much and going to dump a lot of rain on one area. 90 degrees for tomorrow. It's a stormy morning, and check this out. As we move into this upcoming work week, we have a plume of Saharan dust. This is the time of year for it. That will dry out our atmosphere. So as we look forward into the temperatures for this week, we actually are getting hotter. The temperatures lately have been in low 90s. That's average. You see the average marks at the bottom of your screen there? However, as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that dust takes over, dries out our atmosphere, high pressure in control. So that means temperatures are going to spike up, and we could have some heat advisories return to our forecast.